What do you mean? Bitch, shut the fuck up. Alright. Pull this bitch. Of course they had to make it like fucking Russian nesting dolls, so I have to pull off each fucking layer to get to the next one. What the fuck is this shit? What? Okay. Alright, so it's hard to see, like, I'm gonna come over here. See my feet? What? Oh, they're dirty. I went outside, that's why. They look alright. Fuck it. We got our eggs. Trash can yet. I'm gonna use this. Then we go into the box, and we see that our mom bought us a fucking whisk, apparently. It's true. I'll make sure it's nice and, you don't feel like cum, but like a consistency of like a cum. Of course. That bitch in the sink. Take a sip of our Dr. Pepper. Get out. It's like skinny mud. A fucking pizza cutter. Alright, I'm gonna deal with this bitch, I guess. Drink that bitch. Yeah. Well, it's Teflon, so yeah. Teflon Don strikes again. I think you're thinking Saran wrap. I'm gonna head over to the closet. Question, actually. I set my pan back over here. On the opposite one, let that bitch cool down. And then we're gonna go in here and get our Fornuft. Because it's from IKEA. All their products are named... Dude, it's a Swedish company. So basically how it works is the fucking guy that started IKEA is dyslexic. So he names everything, all of their products, based on places and flowers and shit. Oh, really? Well, thank God for that. Alright, so now we got fucking eggs, fork. Just give me a sec. Got ourselves another drink. This one's still, this one's about half. Empty. Now we head back to our fabulous dining area. Oh. See this shit? It's fucking big right there. Ooh. You see that shit? That's how motherfucker eats 2 eggs.